Hello, and welcome to For Good Health. Today the subject of our short video is obstructive sleep apnea and snoring. How do I tell the difference? From our first video we know that snoring is generally caused by some sort of blockage, causing restricted airflow in the airway. This in turn causes vibrations in the soft tissues. Snoring is estimated to affect 57% of men and 40% of women in the United States. It even occurs in up to 27% of children. Whilst these statistics demonstrate snoring is widespread, it must be noted that its severity and health implications can vary. As many as 30% to 50% of these people may have a disorder called sleep apnea. Whilst in its mildest form, snoring is more of an embarrassment or irritation. Whereas sleep apnea is a serious disorder that can have serious health implications. So how can we tell the difference? If we take snoring first, the main symptom of snoring is the obvious noise that this vibration causes. Other less obvious symptoms may include waking up with a sore throat or a dry mouth. Whilst almost everyone snores now and then, it doesn't tend to pose a danger to our health. Sleep apnea, on the other hand, is a more chronic problem. It is estimated that between 30 to 50% of snorers suffer from this sleep disorder. The main things to look out for, over and above the basic snoring symptoms, are abrupt awakenings accompanied by gasping or choking, witnessed breathing pauses during sleep, snoring is so loud that it's disrupting your partner's sleep, awakening with a dry mouth or sore throat, experiencing mood changes such as depression or irritability, nighttime sweating, decreased libido, excessive daytime sleepiness, difficulty concentrating, morning headaches, restless sleep, high blood pressure, chest pain at night, and in children, poor attention span, behavioral issues or poor performance in school. You need to become very aware of your level of snoring, and note must be taken if your snoring symptoms progress to any of those associated with sleep apnea. If left untreated, severe sleep apnea can go on to increase the chances of serious health issues, such as high blood pressure and heart disease, stroke, irregular heart rhythm, reflux, mental health and depression, headaches, and diabetes. There are also some increased risks for women during pregnancy. So, whilst it is very easy to pass off snoring as an inconvenience, it can also be an indicator of something far more serious. We do stress that we are not a medical channel. So if you are concerned about your snoring, then we strongly advise that you seek medical advice at the earliest opportunity. I hope you have found this short video of interest. It forms part of a free series of short videos covering all aspects of snoring, sleep apnea and remedies available. If you would like to pick up the series directly, just look in the description, or the very first comment below this video for the link. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.